Hi everyone, in the last tutorial we learned the basic parts of the Kenmore 385 sewing machine. Today we will be learning how to thread the bobbin. As stated before, you need a top thread and you need a bobbin thread in order to sew. Alright, the first thing you need is a bobbin that is free of the thread. So you're going to take your bobbin and you're going to put it on the bobbin winder. Okay, next thing we're going to do is take our thread and put it on the spool holder. Make sure that your thread is coming forward off of the spool, and then put the piece on there, okay, to keep the thread. So the next thing you're going to do is, if you follow this instruction, you're going to take the thread, wrap it around just like the instruction tells you, and then you're going to take the very end of the thread and you're going to put it through one of these top holes as such. Alright, I insert it through the top and I'm going to hold it with my right hand and I'm going to click it. You hear that click? So you move it to the right. Hit this hand wheel. You're going to have to push it out. Okay, so that's in. Make sure you push it out. That actually stops the needle from moving. You're going to press your foot pedal with this in your hand. Let it go for a few times, and then you can take your scissors and cut this excess of thread, and just let it go, and it'll start to thread your bobbin. Now you want to make sure that it's threading it properly and that the thread looks smooth. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of difficulty stitching. So I'm just going to do this, and the machine will tell me when it's finished threading the bobbin. Now you have to know how to do this, because if you do not, then you're not going to be able to sew, because you're going to run out of thread, and you have to know how to put the thread back on the bobbin. So you see how the machine stopped. I'm pushing the foot pedal, but nothing is happening. So it is finished threading. So I take my scissors. I'm going to cut the thread, and now I push bobbin winder over to the left, and then I push the hand wheel in so that the needle will work. I take the bobbin off. If I look at it, you'll see that it's really smooth, and you don't want it to be uneven. And so that is how you thread the bobbin. Yay! Tune in next time for our next tutorial.